Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets. What we're going to talk about in this video is how you can make between 500 to 700 FX pips in a weekly basis. Now, if you're making more positive pips than you are negative pips, of course you're going to be making money. Now, the obvious question is, well, how do I make these good positive pips? There are two major things that you need to have in order to make the kind of pips we're talking about. First of all, you have to have the simplest and most precise trading system on the internet. And then you need to be connected to and trade with veteran traders that are making these numbers of pips. You've probably heard of traders say that they're making more than 500 pips in a monthly basis. And that's great. But what if you could find a system where traders were making 500 to 700 pips on a weekly basis? Now that'd be worth knowing about, wouldn't it? So what I want to do is show you an example of someone that actually is making this on a regular basis. Right here you see a shot of trades on one currency pair. There was the first position entered, and then an add-on, two more add-ons, an additional two add-ons, and all of the trades positions were closed at the same time. Now the total number of pips on this one currency pair was over 700 pips in this one trade. Now this is not normal. This is a very good week when the market was really moving. But on a regular week, you might have a couple hundred pips on a trade on this currency pair, 75 on another, 100 on another, and after 4 or 5, 6 currency pairs, then that adds up to that 500, 700 pips. And that's on a week when the market's just moving on a normal basis, not having any great gigantic moves. Part of what you have to do is you have to be able to add on. That's one of the little keys that I can share with you right now. But knowing which signals to take and which time frames to trade to have the confidence to make these kind of trades and stay in them, that's the thing you need from your trading system and the people you trade with. Now, we've been debating for months about telling people about this because we didn't figure that they would probably believe that traders were making this many pips on a regular basis, because that's not the normal thing that the industry understands. They understand that you're supposed to lose, you're supposed to struggle, and only a few people make it. Well, a whole bunch of people can make it. And we thought this was just a fluke when one or two of our students were starting to make these kind of pips on a regular basis. But now we have dozens and dozens of students that are making these positive number of FX pips on a weekly basis. Now we see experienced traders come and start trading our system, and they have not had success with their previous system, and within 4 to 6 weeks they're making these kinds of pips. And you can see on a trend like this, if you knew when to get in and when to get out, that would be a great help to you. And there's a lot of pips to be made right here on this little section coming down right here. Now we also see traders. Now these are traders that not ever traded foreign currency before, and they have not even done any type of trading. They come in, and in 4 to 6 weeks, using our nth degree trading system, they're making these numbers of pips. Now, they're not trading large numbers of dollars in the beginning, but they gradually move that up to where then they start making a lot of dollars with a large number of pips. Now, if you think this is a bunch of hot air, we don't blame you, because it's totally new to those that have not seen it and experienced it. Now, it does not happen in just one day, but it does happen most weeks, and even more on the weeks when the market's really moving. So if you're interested or just curious about learning how to make the 500 to 700 pips net positive per week, then go to forexstrategysecrets.com, and you'll see this site right here. And just fill out your information, and you'll get a 100% free, no obligation access to our Jumpstart trading strategy. So we're going to give you the strategy for free. But we're also going to give you opportunity to sign up to attend our trading room, where you can associate with traders that are actually making these kinds of pips. You can ask questions and see how it's done. This is going to be in access for 30 days. So you need to at least come in for a couple of weeks to get a glimpse, because the market doesn't move every day. Some days it moves greatly, other days it moves just a little bit. And so it's a culmination of putting all these days together to make these pips. So to see how, just go to forexstrategysecrets.com, fill out your information, and get the Jumpstart strategy, and you'll be instructed as to how to attend our trading room. And this way you'll be able to satisfy that curiosity, or you'll be able to get information on how you can actually make those kinds of pips yourself, because it really does work. we've seen it happen so many times that we decided would be willing to share it and was not just a fluke. So we'll see you in the trading room, and good luck in your trading.